Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video will show how to install the Binance app on a PC or laptop. Open a web browser, e.g. Chrome, and search for Binance. Click the official Binance website link. On the Binance site, scroll down to find download buttons for different devices. Choose the Windows download button for PC to start downloading the Binance installer file. Once downloaded, run the installer. Select your preferred language and click OK. Installation confirm, or change the install location. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Conclusion: installation finished. Log in or create an account to use the app. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.